Hey guys, it's Kieu. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a really special video. It's the... Okay, well, let's go over disclaimers first. I know a lot of people don't like these kind of videos, and you know that's okay. If you don't like it, then you can just watch one of my other videos. But I just wanted to share this special moment with you because this is my first LV bag. Oh my gosh! So yeah, it's really hot in here. Okay, like I was saying, so this is my first LV bag. We just kind of celebrated our anniversary, and you know, my bae was so sweet of him to get me this LV bag. Yeah, it's just the paper bag. I'm just kidding. But yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it. So I'm pulling it out of the bag because this box is massive. So first, here's the little receipt thing to show that it's, the authentic, real thingy. It's so luxurious feeling. I'm seeking the rainbows. And the little paper. And yeah, just the receipt. But I'm not gonna show you that. But yeah, this is the authentic from the store in the mall, so I know it's legit. But look how big this bag is. So here's the box. And it it's got the little leather cord thingy. And guys, I've been secretly wanting this, but haven't told anybody because I felt like it's kind of not realistic in my budget. But seriously, when I saw the bag, I started crying. So yeah, let's go ahead and unopen.
Come to me and I shall give you peace. Come to me, lay down your head. Touch the rain and feel the summer breeze.
So beautiful. What have we got in this bag?
Hey, whoa.
This is the Neverfull. I believe this is the Neverfull MM in monogram, and the interior lining is the rose ballerina. So yeah, here's the bag. And then you can adjust these sides to make the purse smaller. Oh, and the inside, it comes with this makeup bag too. Comes with a makeup bag. Yeah, so that's really cool. I love it. I'm happy. Oh my gosh. This pink is so gorgeous too. It's like that baby pastel pink. Yeah, so you can fold up the sides and then make it smaller by pulling these little cord things. And then you got another shape. So it's a little bit smaller, and then it has this little clasp in here that you can go there's no zipper on top, so it has a little bit of more security. Okay, I totally forgot to mention that bag is actually made in France. If you look like closely at the inside right here, it says made in France. So that's like something that you really want to look for when you're purchasing your LV bag. And I just love everything, the detailing, the little metal hardwares here. It says Louis Vuitton on it. It comes with this makeup bag inside, which is really awesome. It comes so if you like loop it around like this, you can use it as a clutch. And if you open it inside, there's like this little, you know, divider thing in the middle, and this one says made in France as well, so yay. The gold hardware here says LV, the little thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this video, and thanks for witnessing this milestone in my life. Yeah, and thank you so much to my day for getting this for me. I feel so spoiled, but I love him so much. Okay, well, there you guys go. The Neverfull MM and interior with the Rose Ballerine. So I'll see you guys next time. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment down below. Bye! I love it. I'll cherish it forever.